kids. हेलो बच्चों, ये क्या है? ये है कलर्स. A for apple. B for banana. C for cup. D for drum. E for elephant. F for G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for moon. N for noodles. O for orange. P for papaya. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sheep. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra.